नमस्ते शारदा देवी काश्मीर पुरवासिनी त्वमाहं प्रार्थये नित्यं विद्यादानं च देहि मे. Salutations to you, O goddess of wisdom Sharada, one who abides in Kashmir. Always I pray you bestow the self-wisdom. Namaste, this is Suprita. Have you watched anyone bowing slightly, pressing their hands together, palms and fingers touching as they face each other, fingers pointing upwards with thumbs close to the chest? Then if yes, then you should know it is a form of greeting or leave taking called Namaste or Namaskaram. It is an age-old Hindu custom. However, it is followed both in some parts of Western and Asian culture. This gesture is also called the Anjali Mudra or Pranamasana. Namaste and its common variants, Namaskara, Namaskar or Namaskaram, is one of the 5 forms of formal traditional greeting mentioned in the Vedas. This is normally understood as prostration, but it actually refers to paying homage or showing respect to one another, as is the practice today when we greet each other. In Sanskrit, the word namaha meaning bow or adoration and te meaning to you. In the literal sense, the meaning of namaste is I bow to you, or I bow towards you out of respect or reverence. In Hinduism, you see the gesture reflecting the belief the divine and self, that is soul, is the same in you and me. It connotes I bow to the divine in you. Namaste can be a casual or formal greeting, a cultural convention, or an act of worship. However, there is much more to it than meets the eye. This simple gesture is related to the Bro Chakra, which is often referred to as the third eye or mind center. Meeting another person, no matter how casual, is really a meeting of the minds. When we greet one another with Namaste, it means may our minds meet. The bowing down of the head is the gracious form of extending friendship and love, respect and humanity. Vedic etiquettes in Yajurveda says like Achya Janu Dakshinato Nishadhyeyam Yagnamabi Granita Vishve Ma Hisishta Pitaraha Kena Chinno Yadva Agaha Purushata Karama. This is said in Yajurveda 19th Adhyaya and 62nd Mantra. That means if elders come to us or if we visit them, we need to bend down on our knees and bow down to them and show respect. Namo Jeshthaya cha Kanisthaya cha Namaha Purvajaya Chaparajaya cha Namo Madhyamaya Chapagalbhaya cha Namo Jaganyaya cha Buddhniyama cha. This is said in Yajurveda 16th Adhyaya 32nd Mantra. That means whenever and wherever, if children meets elders, elders meets children, lower meeting the higher or higher meeting the lower, and so on, has greet them as Namaste. Namaste astu mama himsi. This is told in Yajurveda 38th Adhyaya and 16th Mantra. That means, O God, you don't kill me. I will greet you by Namaste. In Shatapatha Brahmana, Garge will greet Yagnavalkya by Namaste, like Sahovacha नमस्तेस्तु याज्ञवल्क्य योमा एतं व्यवोचः. Rishi Yajnavalkya also greets Janaka Maharaja by Namaste. That goes as Sahovacha Janako Vaideho Namaste. Maharshi Yamacharya also greets his student Nachiketa by Namaste, stating Namastestu Brahman Swatimestu. Even in Shiva Purana, for women and Shudras, they greet as Namaste. Dvijanam cha namaha purva manyesham cha namontakam strinam cha kvachidichanti namomtam cha yathavidi. Maharshi Vyasa also greeted Suta by Namaste. Suta Suta Mahabhaga Vyasa Shishyaya Namostate Tadeva Vyasato Bruhi Basma Mahatmyaha Muttamam. In Hinduism traditions, the Anjali Mudra used for Namaste activates the pressure points in eyes, ears, mind, etc. When you bring your hands together, touching each fingertip to the other, it not only heals us internally, it helps us to remember the person we are greeting. Their faces through our eyes, their names through our ears, and their personality through our mind. Amidst the panic that coronavirus has created, the world is getting used to greeting people with a Namaste. The word is now following what the Indians have been practicing for ages. The common way of greeting people in India, Namaste, not only is used in greeting others, but is an essential part of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar, which is an ultimate asana, helps lose weight, ensures regular menstrual cycle, helps your body detox, and has many other benefits. If someone reaches out to shake your hand, either socially or in business, one can politely decline it by doing Namaste. Elbow bump, a prayer gesture, foot shake, and Japanese way of greeting, the bowing of head. Proponents believe that the Namaste greeting will help reduce the transmission of coronavirus due to current worldwide health concerns. Namaste has a deep significance, isn't it? A gesture which is recognizing and respecting your soul and is elevating it humbly. It is one of a kind, and there is no better way to respect a person than gesturing a Namaste towards her. So the next time when you meet a person, why not try Namaste instead of saying hi? Thus, I am sure the next time you say Namaste, you will feel a sense of positive energy around you and a spiritual power of oneness. So this is all about Namaste, which we followed from our olden ages, and now because of coronavirus, now everybody are used to say Namaste. So I hope you understood what is the importance of Namaste. So let's meet in the next video with other topic. Until then, Namaste. Sahana vavatu, sahano bunaktu, sahaviryam karavavahai, tejasvi navadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.